Hello everyone, this is Claudia here from the Bookkeeping Experts. I promised that I would be back, and I am back. More information on QuickBooks Online. We're here to help you understand what's going on with QuickBooks. Stay up to date, especially with everything that's going on with QuickBooks right now. I don't know if you noticed, but there's a lot of updates and a lot of updates on app integration as well. So we're going to talk about where to find them and what's going on and what does that mean to you, all those changes, right? Now, if you're here in our channel, you always watch our content and you have not subscribed to our channel, I'd like to ask you to please, down below, subscribe to our channel, please. Okay. And what I promise you is the following, is that we're going to continue improving the content that we're bringing to you. And we are going to help you stay up to date with what's going on so you can keep your books up to date and have reliable information. Remember, you want to have your point of reference and you want to have a correct point of reference, because if you don't, you're going to get lost here, and you don't want to get lost with your finances. No business can succeed if you don't know exactly what's going on with your finances. All right, so without much further ado, we are going into QuickBooks. Okay, I am going to show you all the integration that QuickBooks is coming up with. So those very direct integration is done by Intuit, and it doesn't cost you anything. So how to get there? So you're going to click on transaction and app transactions, and those are the integrations available to you. They're done by Intuit. Okay, so the advantages of that is the cost is free. All of those apps are free. And the other advantage is that QuickBooks understand what we need in order to succeed in this integration. We have noticed that in the past there has been issues on some of the integration, but QuickBooks is putting a lot of engineers, IT engineers here to get everything straightened up. So some of the updates that we have noticed is the PayPal connector. Used to be that PayPal would be showing up like a bank feed, but we know that there was all kinds of issues with that integration. Now PayPal is done exactly like Shopify and Square. So you will see exactly the same thing. So we also see a new connection here. So we had Amazon Business before, eBay, Shopify, and Square. And now we have this Square and Square Connector. Square Connector is the new one, and you want to try that out. But I noticed that for some of you, it's not going to be available. They're working on it. And now we have Wix Connector. We didn't have Wix Connector before. We do have it now. So for those of you using Wix shopping cart, it's now available and it's done by QuickBooks Online, and it's free. So absolutely amazing. So with PayPal, what does that mean? So we're going to do exactly the same thing as, like I said, Square and Shopify, where we would go here into app transactions, and we will accept those transactions. And after accepting those transactions, that's when it is recorded and matched in your bank feed if you have those transactions deposited into your bank feed. Same thing with PayPal now. So big change, and we're very excited about that. So we're going to go over in the future with more details, but I just wanted to show you all those apps that have been updated, and it's available and it's done by Intuit, by QuickBooks. Okay, so you still can reach the apps on the left hand side menu by clicking on apps and overview. Here you're going to see all the apps, okay, including the ones that is done by QuickBooks. See that says Shopify Connector by QuickBooks, PayPal Connector by QuickBooks. We know that some of those reviews are not the best yet. So it's, there's still improvements to be done. And of course, if you have a lot of complication with your integration, such as Square being integrated with other third party apps and so on and so forth, yes, so it doesn't quite work if you have third party such as Uber Eats, Grubhub, and things like that. If you're a restaurant using Square and you're integrating all those third parties that are already being paid straight into your bank account and have extra fees, so that doesn't work very well. So the best thing you have to do in this situation is to record those as a journal entry at the end of the day, right? Same thing with Shopify. So if you integrate with other third party items that is not working pretty good here, remember, sometimes it's better just to do a journal entry as an update. An example of that is PayPal. If your PayPal is integrated with Shopify and is coming in here and PayPal is paying you directly, you want to make sure that either you manually record that, or when you do all the work, you take that into consideration. So I would not integrate PayPal and then PayPal into Shopify, either or. Okay, so if your PayPal is integrated into Shopify, don't integrate the PayPal app as well. Just integrate PayPal to Shopify and Shopify to QuickBooks. That's it. Because if not, you're duplicating all the income transactions. Okay, so as I showed you, if you want to find app, you're going to find the same way that you have before. You're going to click here and then just search for whatever app. We're going to search for Square, and you're going to see Square. You have several. Square Connector by QuickBooks. That's the new one. It's new, updated. And of course, there's other options here. This is the new one, Squarespace Connector by QuickBooks. And look at the reviews compared to this one doesn't have review here, but had pretty bad reviews before. So obviously it's looking a lot better. The Wix connector as well. So we're excited about that. So connect to Square. This is the old one. As you can see, not very good reviews here. So this is the new updated one and is working a whole lot better. All right. Okay. So I want to hear what you think. How is it working for you? Have you updated your apps to the new integration? If so, let me know how it's working for you. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm back. I told you I'll be back. I'm always back. All right, so I want to know your opinion. What do you think of the new QuickBooks Online integration apps? Is it working for you or it's not working for you? Write down below and let me know if you have any question. And as always, come back next week because I have a whole lot of information on all these updates that QuickBooks is doing. And I want to share with you so you can stay up to date. So I'll be back for more next week. And until next time, keep on smiling.